Whoa. It has given me an irrational fear of pregnancy and labour. Morning guys, and welcome back to Journey to Med. For those of you who don't know, my name is Liddy and I am a 4th year medical student currently undertaking hospital placement in my obstetrics and gynecology rotation.
I just wanted to quickly mention that today's video is kindly sponsored by SLID, and I'll tell you more about them later on in the vlog.
So today is a semi-busy day, so I thought why not take you guys along with me as I complete today's tasks and everything I need to get up to. It is currently 6:48 a.m. so I'm gonna go eat breakfast with Hazal and then we're gonna start heading to placement probably for 7:15. We're actually quite close to the hospital. I'm looking forward to placement today because I kind of have an idea of what I need to do. I'm hoping to get a few histories, to maybe watch a few ultrasounds, and if possible squeeze in a birth. Like, I still haven't seen a vaginal birth, so like birth via the birth canal. I have seen a C-section there in my previous vlog. I've enjoyed obstetrics and gynecology thus far. It's been very eye-opening. It has given me an irrational fear of pregnancy and labour. I'm not being funny. Labour is as intense as it looks in the movies and on TV. Like, oh my gosh. I am back from placement now. Had honestly just an amazing day today. Oh my god, there are like huge spider webs outside my window. Oh my god, is that Hazal? Hazal! I got to observe a few ultrasounds, which is always such like a heartwarming moment. The woman doing an ultrasound was like explaining things to me. Yeah, it was a very interesting experience and always so heartwarming to see like the parents' reaction to seeing their baby on the scan. It is so cool and so crazy to think that, you know, all of us grown adults all came from that little dot on the screen. I also got to take a few patient histories and got to speak to a few patients, a few pregnant women who are at different stages of pregnancy, and just hear more about their pregnancy, complications they may have had, how it's going, and just being able to learn about the differing pregnancy journeys that individual people have is very interesting as well, because it really does vary. Pregnancy is a crazy thing. Like, the amount of things that need to go right in order for the baby to come out healthy and safe, and for the mother to be healthy and safe, damn. Now I am in my gym wear. Today I'm just doing like a t-shirt and joggers kind of situation, and I'm gonna go eat some lunch with Hazal, then we're gonna head to the gym before going to a little cute dinner date with one of our YouTube friends, Amy. Let's get going. Hey. What are we eating today?
I'm making myself like an English breakfast for lunch.
Yum, yum. They give you your own personalised skincare. Hi guys, it's Future Liddy here, and I wanted to briefly interrupt this vlog to tell you about today's sponsor linked down below, SLID. I genuinely think that this will come in super handy for both you and I as students who have been thrown into this world of online lectures, because taking notes while watching videos online is a very tedious task. But friends, this is where SLID comes in. With SLID, you can take screenshots and add it to your notes while watching online videos with just one click. You can extract text from the image and
and every image that is added to your notes is timestamped so that you can review the video easily. The best part about this is that your notes are safely managed by Slid so that you can access them anywhere. Laptop, tablet, phone, you've got it. So guys, whether you need this for educational videos you're watching or you have been subjected to online lectures like me, Slid is definitely something that will help you make this entire process easier. So be sure to click the link in the description box down below to check out Slid for yourself. Hi guys, just got back from, oh, it's not good lighting. I'm about to shower and go get ready because, as I told you guys earlier, we're gonna go meet our friend for, I don't know if to call it dinner because we're meeting her at like 4 o'clock, so it's not dinner, but I've already had lunch, so I don't know what I call this. Guys, let me show you my planner, because I don't think you understand the magnitude of things on my plate this week. So this is a rough view of my planner, and I have a few things to complete this week. I've got to do some filming in the weekend. Throughout the week, obviously I have placement, teaching, general revision to do, past med questions, scripting YouTube videos. Me and Hazal are actually also releasing an ebook this weekend. It's called the Journey to Med ebook. We've put so much time and effort into it. I'm so excited for you guys to get it. If you are an aspiring medic, whether you're in year 13, whether you're a grad student doing another degree, if you're interested in getting into medicine, the collection of templates that we have created for you guys is essentially an accumulation of, you know, all the advice we've been sharing with you guys over the years. It's just a space where you can actually apply that advice for your personal situation and get yourselves into med school.
Fashion with front row, Fendi and Prada, hard like Madonna, rich and you know no, got all the cash, Louis on my back, wish you could have that, gotta work hard, yeah. Spend that, custom made this skirt, then you go.
Hazal literally knew that I was wearing brown today.
She knew I was wearing brown.
You're so boring.
No, Lily,
you bore
need to
me.
change it.
No, you
Lily,
change.
need to change
You
it because
change.
you're always wearing the same thing.
Well, you change. I'm not changing.
No, but I-
Show it up, yeah, got big bags, gold tags, all facts, yeah, then you go, show it up, yeah. You might have all the money in life, but there are things that you can buy, so put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey, spend the money, you're so lucky, you're so lucky, you're so lucky, why yourself? I'm so fancy, why yourself? You can have me, you're so lucky, yeah, why yourself?
They're like, this is a very different Liddy this week. Yeah guys, it was moving a bit windy and rainy on the outside. What is this? So I put up my hoodie. I think the lighting's more here. But yeah guys, food with Amy went well.
Yeah.
So nice catching up and eating food. It literally cost us,
so
you know, all that food on the table, like it cost us like £20 each. Like it was so affordable.
Literally.
But yeah, so now we're gonna go home and start our productivity sesh. We were gonna go to like a study space, but can't be bothered.
Yeah.
Can't bother to drive all the way there and then like pay £10 for parking to work for 2 hours. That's a bit long.
But there are things that you can buy, so put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey, spend the money, you're so lucky, you're so lucky, why yourself? I'm so fancy, why yourself? You can have me, you're so lucky, yeah. 2 hours later.
Like, look how dramatically the lighting is changing because it's starting to get dark. I'm now gonna finish off with my revision. I'm looking at a few pre-made med school notes that we got from like a society over at Bart's, because as I told you guys, I'm not making notes anymore. So I'm gonna look at those, annotate them, and just try to understand obs and gyne at a more scientific level. But I don't want to bore you guys further with clips of me studying, so I'm gonna end today's video here. I'll be sure to see you guys for a new video next week. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hazal, say bye.
Bye.
Can you guys even see her? Where are you? Oh, she's there.